Creating a QR code with a Beacon's Eye account is a straightforward process, particularly useful for online businesses or live streamers who want to direct customers to their Cash App or Venmo. To start, you need to have the Pro plan, which costs around $10 per month. Once you have this plan, log into your account and navigate to the home screen. From there, click on the Marketing tab, represented by a microphone icon, and select Link Shorten from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can view all your shortened links, along with a QR code option. To create a new QR code, click on New Short Link and enter the URL you want to link to. You can also name the link for your reference. After clicking Generate Short Link, the link will be created, and you can view the corresponding QR code. When someone scans this QR code with their phone, it will open the linked URL. You can customize the QR code by changing the logo in the middle to your profile picture. Finally, you can download and print the QR code to use in your live streams or other promotions. This process is easy to follow and can be completed in just a few steps, making it a convenient way to enhance your online presence.